How to use Clockify Timesheet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Clockify, and after logging into your account, you might not be able to see the timesheet in first glance. So in that case, you can just simply open up the settings, or you can click on this option of show more. Then scroll down, and here you would be able to find the option of timesheet. Simply select it, then make sure that you activate it. And right after that, you will be able to see timesheet over here. Simply select any project from here, or you can create a new one. Simply give it a name. After giving it a name, you can also give the client, you can select the client or the templates over here in case if you want to, and then click on create. And this is how project will be created on the timesheet. Here you can log the amount of hours that you are going to devote on any particular day over here. And let's create one more project over here so you get to understand it in a better way. So we are assigning some more hours over here, and on Wednesday let's assign some more time. And here you can see that on project ABC, the total amount of time spent on different days will be shown over here on the total. But on Monday, you would be able to find all the amount of hours that has been spent over here. So this way you would be able to make the productive decisions using timesheet on Clockify. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.